Would you like to have one of these slim and safe chocolate orange desserts? Totally on plan. In fact, it's a chocolate caramel orange. Can't get much better than that. Look at that. If you want to find out how to make this very easy, just keep watching. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a sachet of Hartleys sugar-free jelly. Now they come in a twin pack like this attached together, so you're only using 1/2 of the pack. And what I've done is I've used the orange jelly. I've put it in the fridge, and what I've done is I've put it into a little glass container. Then I've put the rolling pin in, put them on a tray, and left them on an angle. So they're set on an angle. So they've actually been in overnight, but you can do it in a few hours. So I don't know if you can see, they're now on an angle. Don't need to do that, but just makes it a little bit fancier. Okay, so half of the jelly packet made up to a pint actually makes all of these desserts. So obviously they're not full, but I'm going to put some more things on the top. Okay, the next thing I'm going to make is the chocolate brownie. So I'm going to make that into a bowl, and I don't really need it into a mould because I'm going to crumble it on the top. So I'll make that and mix it with water, microwave it, and then that'll give it a chance to cool down. Okay, the next thing I'm using is the Slim and Safe mousse mix powder, and with this you need to add 125 or 150 mils of cold water, which I've got in my shaker. And then what I've done is I've got a teaspoon measure, and I've measured the teaspoon of powder into my milkshake packet. I've chosen chocolate caramel flavour today. I'm going to mix that up, pour it into the 125 mils of water, and then I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, so I've put the chocolate caramel mousse mix on top of the jelly, and this last, it's not filled up all of my moulds, but and this last one's taken a while to let it, I'm just letting it drip out a bit. But then you have to put it in the fridge for 10 minutes, and that'll give your brownie mix a chance to cool down. So I'll come back to you when it's ready. Okay, while the mousse is chilling, I'm going to just chop up my chocolate brownie. Okay, so I've cut the chocolate brownie into kind of little cube sort of shapes. And then what I'm going to do is sprinkle a few of them on top of the mousse. Maybe one more. Now, I'm not going to do all of them because I think I'll have to put the mousse back in the fridge. But if I put the chocolate brownie in the fridge, it's going to go kind of soggy. So what I'll do is I'll put the chocolate brownies in a Tupperware box, and then as I take one of these mousses out to have it, I can sprinkle some of the chocolate brownies on the top. And now I managed to get 2 big, 3 small, and then half of another one of the mousse by using a spatula to get it out of the shaker. So anyway, I think it looks quite nice, and I'm going to look forward to enjoying that. Now, don't forget that you've got 2 packs in there, so you've got the shake and the brownie, so there are 2 packs, but there's 2 packs for all of them. So you know, depending what plan you're on, you know, you can make the adjustments. But yeah, don't forget that it is actually 2 packs. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little, not really cooking, but you know, a little tutorial. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like unsubscribe, and I'll see you next time.